as consulting. Uh, what I would say, I think this is a good idea. I mean, to bring different stakeholders to come up with what we need to do. We have seen this as an opportunity, and as Africa, let me speak from the level of being an African. The only way we are going to get to the first world is by using technology. There's no way we are going to leapfrog to the levels that they are at if we don't use technology. The research is out that says probably in the East and West, the children get access to a computer at the age of 5. In Africa, we get a computer access to one to around 19, 22 years of age. A difference of 15 years and you expect to be at the same level. We'll never get there. So it's only when we embrace the technology, it's only when we come and look at ways where we can be able to get access to that technology, then we are going to also improve our living standards, our way of accessing whatever we need to do, our way of getting us developed. So it's a good idea. We just need to look at ways that we're going to make sure that it's implemented. We know we have challenges, and we have unique challenges as Africa ourselves, so we need to look at ways that we can plug into those challenges, those unique things that we have, and come to develop things that can help us move to that different level.